Hi, my friends. Hope you are very fine. Right. Today I want to talk about JUA-KALI garages versus professional garages. Like, why do many drivers or car owners prefer going to JUA-KALI garages than professional garages? Right. Here in UG, actually 80% to 90% of people drive Toyota cars, but few of them go to the authorized dealer of Toyota in Uganda is Sifa Uganda. There they changed them to Sifa. They were normally Toyota Motors, but now they're Sifa, right? So few people go to Namave, to the head office, or here in Kampala Road, Ujinja Road, to do their service in those dealers, the authorized Toyota dealers. Why? Many people drive Range Rovers, but or Ford, but they don't go to Cooper Motors. Many people drive Nissan cars, but they don't go to Motor Cares to do their service, right? At Motor Cares Uganda. Why? Yet they have the best equipment and the best facilities and the best technicians to get the job done. But why do people shun those places in favor of JUA-KALI garages in Deva or Chibuye or anywhere, right? So the answer is very simple. Okay, professional garages, they are good because they have the best facilities. Yeah, they have the best technicians. They have the best equipment, right? So, and the system is very good because when you go to the professional garage, you reach the reception. Yeah, you meet those beautiful ladies or beautiful gentlemen. Uh, they uh, they make you they call it a job card. Yeah, they make a job card. Actually, they are called service advisors at the reception. So you make a job card. You tell them the details about the car, then what's the problem with the car, then and how much it will cost to rectify the problem, or you want any service or battery service or tire change or any spare parts which you want, right? So then they take that job card to the workshop controller. Then he will assign that job card to whether in the body shop or in the service section, right? So it depends on which type of work is being required to work, is being required to be done on on the on the car. So it's a process, right? And then there are charges. Uh, their standard charges. Teri bya mbunsalirako okitegeera. After like fixing your car, they'll wash your car, right? They'll wash your car, and then that value they add, it will make you come back again, right? If at all you get the best services, right? So so after washing your car, then they will give it back to you, right? So the other thing is when it comes, but why do people shun these professional garages? They tend to offer the best services, and then they go to JUA-KALI garages, right? And then because actually in a JUA-KALI garage, you just meet the mechanic. Yeah, no service advisor, no. You just meet the mechanic or the owner, then you tell them, man, my car, I need to change the suspensions, yeah, shock absorbers. Then they say, okay, how much will it cost? Maybe 20,000. No, I'll give you 10,000. So there's room for negotiating, right? And then you just sit there, like you say, how many hours? Like within 2 hours, I'll be done. Then you just sit. You can sit there, or you just wait. Then within 2 hours, it's done. So there's room always for negotiable, and there's room to get the job done faster, right? Compared to like professional garages. So that's why people prefer going to JUA-KALI garages than professional garages, because the number one thing is the cost. The cost of servicing the car, of getting the job done. JUA-KALI garages, they tend to charge a very less amount compared to professional garages. Professional garages, for example, if it's servicing a car, service level 1, this is just periodic service. They can, because they actually in garages they charge in terms of hours. If, for example, servicing the car, it can take 2 hours. So if hourly rate, for example, servicing a car, it can take 2 hours if it's a full service, right? So hourly rate, they can charge you like 400,000 Uganda shillings, right? So buli hour, so that means just chinana if it's a full service, right? But for in the JUA-KALI garage ayinza okusaba emitwalo nga 10 oba emitwalo egyo 5 ate yina agimalirako olunaku lulamba oba kitegeera. Yeah, so that's why and he can get the job done faster and then at a less cost, right? Yeah, that's why many people like individuals prefer going to JUA-KALI garages than at professional garages. Yet professional garages tend to offer the best services.